Have you ever wondered if you can use Paysafe to fund your Binance account? It's a common question among crypto enthusiasts who prefer the convenience and security of Paysafe. Let's dive into the details and find out if Binance supports this payment method. Binance overview. Before we get into Paysafe, let's briefly discuss Binance. It's one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a wide range of trading pairs and services. Paysafe overview. Paysafe is a popular online payment provider that offers various services like e-wallets, prepaid cards, and online payments. It's known for its security and convenience. The main question: does Binance use Paysafe? Direct answer: the short answer is no. Binance doesn't directly support Paysafe as a deposit or withdrawal method. This might be disappointing for those who prefer using Paysafe for their online transactions. Possible reasons. There could be a few reasons for this. Regulatory constraints. Different regions have varying regulations for cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance might face limitations in certain areas that prevent them from offering Paysafe as a payment option. Technical challenges. Integrating Paysafe with a cryptocurrency exchange might involve technical complexities that Binance hasn't addressed yet. Alternative payment methods. Binance already offers a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and other e-wallets. This might make adding Paysafe a lower priority. Exploring alternatives. Indirect methods. While Binance doesn't directly support Paysafe, there are some indirect methods you can consider. Peer-to-peer exchanges. You can use peer-to-peer platforms to buy cryptocurrency with fiat currency, including Paysafe. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly. Third-party payment processors. Some third-party payment processors might allow you to use Paysafe to purchase cryptocurrency, which you can then transfer to Binance. However, be cautious about the fees and security implications. Security considerations. Importance of security. When dealing with cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Be mindful of the risks involved in using third-party payment processors or peer-to-peer exchanges. Best practices to protect your funds. Use strong and unique passwords for all your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Be wary of phishing scams and fraudulent websites. In conclusion, Binance doesn't currently offer Paysafe as a direct payment method. However, there are indirect ways to purchase cryptocurrency using Paysafe and then transfer it to Binance. While it's disappointing that Binance doesn't directly support Paysafe, it's important to consider the security implications and explore alternative options. If you have any questions or experiences with using Paysafe or other payment methods on Binance, feel free to share them in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.